Hello, I have a super quick and easy recipe for you today. This is one of my favorite bean mixes. It is called the 10 bean mix, and I get it from a local grocery store called Sprouts from their bulk bin aisles. It has a little mix of some peas, lentils, black-eyed peas, pinto beans, black beans, red beans. It's just such a great mix. I start by soaking them, and then you want to rinse them very well and sort through them. Now begin cooking by adding in water, bay leaf, garlic, and onion, and just let that come to a boil before adding in some frozen veggies. I used a couple of these cubes and season however you like. These are just some of the seasonings I used. Give that a good stir. And keep in mind you can use any vegetables you choose. Sometimes I like to make it with fresh zucchini and corn. The great thing about this bean soup is the longer you cook it, the more the texture changes into a creamier base. These are raw beans, so it'll take a while for them to cook all the way through, but go ahead and see how long you want to cook it just to your liking. This is something that's super easy for lunch. You can have it for dinner with a side of toast, biscuit, some tortillas. Add some avocado on top, and you got yourself a full meal. I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.